In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SSLTLS certificate in Plesk. This step is crucial for enhancing the security of your website and ensuring all communications between your site and its visitors are encrypted. So, let's dive right into it and make your site safer for everyone. First things first, let's gain access to your Plesk control panel. This is your main hub for managing your hosting environment, so you'll want to log into it using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a whole array of options, but today we're going to focus on securing your website with SSLTLS. Now, to start this process, navigate over to the Websites and Domains section. This is where you'll find a list of all domains that you're managing through Plesk. It's important to make sure you're choosing the correct domain that you intend to secure, so take a moment to double-check this list. Once you've identified the domain in question, go ahead and select it. The next step is to click on the SSL/TLS certificates option. This will bring us to a dedicated area where you can manage existing certificates or add new ones. We're going to use Let's Encrypt, a widely trusted certificate authority that offers free SSL certificates. In your SSL/TLS certificates area, look for the Let's Encrypt section. You should see an option labeled Get It Free. Click on this option and a dialog box will appear with several options. It's important to ensure that the following options are selected in the dialog box for comprehensive security coverage. First, select Secure the Domain Name. This guarantees that your primary domain is covered by the SSL certificate. Next, choose Secure the Wildcard Domain. This is crucial because it covers not only the typical www subdomain, but also any potential subdomains that you haven't created yet, including the all-important webmail functionality. Speaking of webmail, the last option you need to select is Secure Webmail on this domain. This ensures any emails sent via your domain's webmail system remain encrypted and protected from prying eyes. With all these selected options confirmed, you're ready to proceed. Simply click the Install button to initiate the process. Plesk will now handle the installation of the SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Once installed, your site will have its communications encrypted, giving your visitors peace of mind and improving your site's trustworthiness. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an SSL/TLS certificate to your domain in Plesk. Make sure to check back regularly for certificate renewals to maintain this important security feature. Thanks for watching, and keep securing your digital presence.